Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the monthly dividends portfolio. Let's get over to that one, shall we? Yes, the monthly dividends portfolio, where everything in here pays a dividend every single month. I did add one holding to this. I added, where is it? Dynex Capital. This one used to pay quarterly and it has now changed to monthly. So it has now found a spot in my monthly dividends portfolio. I have a total account value on this one of only $159.20 with 15 cents in cash. The current value of this is, or the total amount I deposited was $150, which means we are up by $9.20 or 6.13% in gains. Not too shabby. Dividend-wise, we have earned 43 cents and we have been paid 7 cents by G&L Global Net Lease. Sales, I sold those trusts on the 7th. I believe you guys were already aware of that one. Dividend changes. Looks like we did have a dividend change. EPR raised theirs by 4.17%, which is a nice little bonus. Realty Income raised theirs by 2.34%. And Stag increased theirs by a little over 0.5%. So at least they're increasing, and I like that. Overall, the portfolio is in the green on everything except for two positions, which is Gladstone's land, and that's barely down. I'm only down 2 cents on that one. And DX is the new position, and it is down a little bit since I purchased it. There's been one investing day. I invested a total of $25, increasing the yearly income from dividends by $2.66, giving me an overall yield on cost of 10.64%. Pretty good considering the overall average is 8.63% on this portfolio, and my overall average yield on cost is 9.14%. Currently, it's giving me a whopping $14.95 a year or $1.25 a month, giving me an overall return of 9.96%. And that be it, guys. As you see, my diversification, majority of it is in real estate. The rest is in financial and a tiny bit in real estate debt. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for the monthly dividend portfolio. I hope you guys are doing good. Again, if you're planning to open an M1 finance account, please use my link down below. You get free 25 bucks, and so will I. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.